Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of clothes in your video using InShot application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to go to the video and then I'm going to click on new, and here we have to select the blank option. Okay, and click on the check mark to import it to your InShot project. And I'm going to change the ratio, guys. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this blank background. I'm going to go to the duplicate and I'm going to duplicate it for 3 times. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of each background. I'm going to go to the background and choose the color you want to apply to your clothes. I'm just going to select red and then I'm going to choose pink. Okay, and the last one I'm going to choose maybe orange. Okay, and then I'm going to add my video that I want to change the clothes. I'm going to go to the PIP and then I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and I'm going to click on the button to fit the screen. Then we're going to go to the cow. Okay, and go to the chroma. We're going to use the chroma feature to change the color of the clothes. I'm going to place the circle to the clothes and I'm going to increase the strength and the shadow as well. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to check the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change the color of clothes in our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.